morning. Today is August 27 and Tuesday. Yesterday, my two daughters and I visited my parents' house after work. And when I arrived there, my mother already prepared for dinner for us. So we ate curry rice together, and I didn't know that my two daughters really like curry rice because I hate cooking curry rice at home. Yeah, so I really like green curry or something, but to be honest, I don't like how do I say basic curry rice. So I've never cooked that at home. But yesterday we had an opportunity to eat a normal curry rice at my parents' house, and they looked very happy and they ate curry rice twice. So I was very surprised, and I promised them to cook curry rice at home next time. Yeah, so my mother helped me realize the fact. You know what I mean? Yeah, and I have to cook for my family every single day. But yesterday I did not need to that, so it's very I feel very thanks for my mother. Yeah, I hate cooking, but my mother is good at cooking, and I really like food that she makes. Yeah, and this week my husband is supposed to work overtime on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Yeah, so, and unfortunately this week I have a lot on my plate at work. So I'm gonna visit my parents' house with my two kids. Yeah, and weather forecast said typhoon is coming to my town, so I really hope this typhoon will not come here. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a day off for my older daughter. She has to go see a doctor every month. So every month. So tomorrow I'm going to take her to go see a doctor, and afternoon we are going to go somewhere without my younger daughter. I think we need to make some time to spend only with my older daughter, without my younger daughter. My older daughter is always struggle with her, how do I say, as older sister. She really understands she is older sister and she has a younger sister. Yeah, so sometimes I try to make time to spend with my older daughter, and she really wanted to go shopping with me. Yeah, she likes going shopping. So my my older daughter and I are going to go shopping tomorrow afternoon. So I really want that the typhoon will not come to Japan. That's all.